Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We have already described this picture in simple English. Now we will use the same picture but we will change the time. We will use past continuous tense and future continuous tense. But first, we will solve the jumbled sentences related to the picture. Then we will describe the picture in past continuous tense and future continuous tense. And finally, we will change the sentences into both tenses. Same picture, different learning. Let's start. Jumbled sentences. Look at the jumbled sentence on the screen. You have 10 seconds to arrange the words. Children were playing in the park. Parents were sitting on the bench. A boy was skating on the path. Ducks will be swimming in the pond. People will be enjoying the fresh air. Now we will describe the picture in past continuous tense. Past continuous means an action was happening in the past. Children were playing in the park. Two kids were swinging on the swings. A girl was jumping rope happily. A boy was skating on the path. Another boy was skateboarding near him. Parents were sitting on a bench. A mother was holding her small child. A father was smiling at his family. An old man was sitting quietly on the bench. An other elderly person was resting beside him. Ducks were swimming in the pond. An old woman was feeding the ducks. Water was flowing from the fountain. Children were laughing and enjoying themselves. Trees were giving shade in the park. The sun was shining brightly. Kids were wearing helmets while skating. A boy was moving fast on his skateboard. People were relaxing in the fresh air. Children were playing safely on the grass. The family was spending time together. Paths were winding through the green park. The park was looking beautiful. Kids were enjoying their free time. Grandparents were watching the children. The fountain was making the place lively. Children were learning to balance. Everyone was enjoying a peaceful day. Now, let's describe the picture in future continuous tense. Future continuous means when an action will be happening in the future. Children will be playing in the park. Kids will be swinging on the swings. A girl will be jumping rope happily. A boy will be skating on the path. Another boy will be skateboarding nearby. Parents will be sitting on the bench. A mother will be holding her child. A father will be watching his family. Old people will be resting on the bench. Grandparents will be enjoying fresh air. Ducks will be swimming in the pond. An old woman will be feeding the ducks. Water will be flowing from the fountain. Children will be laughing loudly. Trees will be giving cool shade. The sun will be shining brightly. Kids will be wearing safety helmets. Families will be spending quality time. Children will be playing safely. The park will be looking beautiful. Birds will be flying around. Children will be learning new games. Everyone will be feeling happy. Kids will be having fun together. The fountain will be adding beauty. Elders will be watching children play. The park will be full of life. Change the sentence into future continuous tense and you have 10 seconds to think. Children were playing in the park. Parents will be sitting on the bench. Change into past continuous tense. Third sentence. Ducks were swimming in the pond. Change into future continuous tense. Fourth, a boy will be skating on the path. Change into past continuous tense. And the last fifth one is people were enjoying the park. Change into future continuous tense. Thanks for watching. For more interesting videos, like, share, subscribe to the channel.